Come on, please.
Don't worry, Chris here. Be happy. Squeezy. Window washer, window mops, window washer, window mops. $1 detergent, dishwash detergent. This is very important to clean windows. Paper towel, kitchen towel. This brand is good. And bucket, windows bucket. What I'm gonna do, detergent. Just detergent like this. And just water. And mix like this. Okay. Then clean windows. Guys, this is for beginner, super beginner. Okay, window washer. Okay, you just do like this. Second, use kitchen towel on the top. Clean. This is very important. If you don't clean the top, the water like this. So, second, clean. And 3 steps. See? 1, 2, 3, then go. Again. 1, 2, 3, then go. If you go just one time, see, and this area is gonna be dirty. You can use this new rags one time, but not 2 times, 3 times, not 4 times. So I don't use this one. Use kitchen towel, paper towel. This area. Okay? One more. This is very important for beginner to window cleaning. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, go. So why I do 1, 2, 3? Because less water left. So easily clean this part like this with paper towel. So you can clean windows very well. Then lastly, only clean edge. Don't use like this part, only edge. Crazy Cleaner Chris. Guys, thanks for watching my video today. I am Crazy Cleaner Chris. I'm making a cleaning video and I'm going to show you many types of window and glass cleaning. I have 8 years experience, so I can tell you lots of my skills. Don't worry about the window cleaning from now on. I'm gonna help you. Sorry about my English. I'm still learning, but Windows better. Thank you. Bye.